Are you an aspiring jazz guitarist looking to take your skills to the next level? Do you find yourself stuck in a musical rut, playing the same old chords and scales over and over again? If so, fear not. In this article, we will explore 5 must-know chords, scales, and progressions that will elevate your jazz guitar playing to new heights. So grab your guitar and get ready to embark on a musical journey of exploration and growth. Dominant 7th chords, the foundation of jazz harmony. Dominant 7th chords are a staple in jazz music. They add tension and color to your chord progressions, creating an authentic jazz sound. To play a dominant 7th chord on the guitar, start with a basic major triad, root note plus 3rd plus 5th, and add the flat 7th interval. For example, in C major scale, C-E-G, adding B-flat creates C7, C-E-G B-flat. Practice these chords in different positions across the fretboard to familiarize yourself with their unique voicings. The altered scale, adding spice to your solos. The altered scale is essential for creating tension and resolving it in exciting ways during improvisation. It is derived from the 7th mode of the melodic minor scale or Superlocrian mode. In C altered scale, C D flat E flat F flat G flat A flat B flat. Each note has been altered by either raising or lowering it by half step compared to its natural form in C melodic minor scale, C D E flat F G A B. Experiment with this scale over dominant 7th chords for a spicy flavor that will captivate listeners. EVI progression, building strong harmonic foundations. The EVI progression is the most common chord progression in jazz. It consists of a minor 7th chord, E, followed by a dominant 7th chord, V, and resolving to a major 7th chord, I. For example, in C major, the EVI progression would be DM7G7 Cmaj7. Mastering this progression is crucial for navigating through jazz standards and understanding harmonic relationships. Practice playing it in different keys and explore variations to add your personal touch. Bebop scales, adding fluidity to your lines. Bebop scales are essential tools for creating smooth and flowing lines during improvisation. They incorporate chromatic passing tones that connect the notes of traditional scales, adding melodic interest and complexity to your solos. The most commonly used bebop scale is the dominant bebop scale, which adds an extra note between the root and flat 7th of a dominant 7th scale. For instance, in C dominant bebop scale, C D E F G A B flat B, the added B creates fluidity when ascending or descending. Modal interchange, expanding your harmonic palette. Modal interchange involves borrowing chords from parallel modes or related keys to create interesting harmonic progressions beyond diatonic harmony. This technique adds depth and color to your compositions or improvisations by introducing unexpected chords into familiar progressions. Experiment with substituting chords from modes such as Dorian, Phrygian, or Mixolydian into your existing repertoire of progressions to expand your musical horizons. By incorporating these 5 must-know chords, scales, and progressions into your practice routine, you will unlock new possibilities for expression on the jazz guitar. In conclusion, taking your jazz guitar skills to the next level requires dedication, practice, and exploration of new musical concepts. By mastering dominant 7th chords as foundational elements of jazz harmony and incorporating altered scales to add spice to your solos, you will captivate listeners with your musical prowess. Understanding and utilizing the EVI progression will provide a strong harmonic foundation for navigating through jazz standards, while bebop scales will add fluidity and complexity to your improvisations. Finally, modal interchange will expand your harmonic palette, allowing you to create unique progressions that showcase your creativity. So pick up that guitar and dive into the world of jazz guitar mastery. Embrace these 5 must-know chords, scales, and progressions as stepping stones on your musical journey. With practice and dedication, you will undoubtedly take your jazz guitar skills to new heights and become an accomplished player in this rich genre of music.